Hi again, everybody. It is Friday, May 20th, 2022. Here is a look at the Astro Excel forecast for next week from the 22nd to the 27th. Notice that I have an orange horizontal line bracketing the minus 10 and plus 10 levels here. You can see the green line is between the plus 10, minus 10 all week, so we don't have a lot of strong pressure. You can see that we have coming into Sunday evening, we have slight upward pressure and we peak out right at plus 10 there, and then we go flat. Monday is really very flat, astrologically speaking, anyway. Monday through most of Tuesday. Then, as we get into the time of the close Tuesday, we start a slow down drift for the rest of the week that really basically lasts until about 12:30 p.m. on Friday, and then we get a spurt up Friday afternoon. You can see the steep ascension on the green line here. And what you really like to see are these sharper looking moves. Right now we are in a flat line period here between the 10 lines, and doesn't mean there won't be action in the market. Just means that there's not a lot of strong astrological influence. We always like to pay attention to the peaks and valleys on the blue line, especially if they move outside the 10 lines, which we don't really have that in this case next week, but I'm going to mark them anyway. These are not as strong as if they take place outside the 10 lines. Let's say we have on the 23rd we have 4:13 a.m., then we have 10:30 a.m., and then we have a peak about 19:31 in the evening, and then once again later that night, about the 2300 hour into the 24th, we've got a low 6:26 a.m., a spike high at 9:21. Right on the session break, we have a spike high, spike low at 20:21. Then we've got a little double top at 22:14 and 23:16. On the 25th, we've got this spike low at 7:30 a.m. Hit this high in the afternoon around 13:40, 45. Spike low around 1850. Going into the 26th, then we've got this flat bottom at 417. Really kind of not much there until we get to this late in the evening spike at 2239 on the 26th. As we go to the 27th, basically flat on the blue line, and we bottom at 12:20, 12:30 Friday with the green line, and both lines are heading up. So that's what we're looking at for next week. So that'll do it for today, and we'll probably be back with something else over the weekend.